this question belongs to some basic concepts of chemistry chapter. This question came in 2025 JEE Mains. Choose the correct statement. Weight of a substance is the amount of matter present in it. Mass is the force exerted by gravity on an object. Volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. Temperature below 0 degrees centigrade are possible in Celsius scale, but in Kelvin scale, negative temperature is not possible. Precision refers to the closeness of various measurements for the same quantity. See, a statement, weight of a substance is the amount of matter present in it. No, it is not correct. Why? We all know matter means that is connected to mass, right? Which is m. Now, if you multiply G with this m, you will get weight. So, mass into gravity, then you will get weight. It is wrong statement. Now, if you see B statement, mass is the force exerted by gravity on an object. So, basically, it is not mass, it is weight, right? Weight is the force exerted by gravity on an object. So, B statement, it is also wrong. C statement, volume is the amount of space occupied by a substance. Yes, it is correct. Temperature below 0 degrees centigrade are possible in Celsius scale. It is correct. But in Kelvin scale, negative temperature is not possible. Yes, it is also correct. You cannot go below 0 Kelvin. 0 Kelvin is the lowest temperature in Kelvin scale or absolute scale. If you say statement E, precision refers to the closeness of various measurements for the same quantity. Yes, it is correct. Why? If you measure anything, any parameter, let's consider height. If someone's height is, let's consider 3 meter, right? And we assume that you are measuring, in some way where you are getting 2.5 meter, okay? Second time you are measuring, you are getting 2.6. Third time you are measuring, maybe it is 2.4. So now see, this 2.5, 2.6, 2.4, these all values are very close to each other. Then we will say all these measurements, they are precise. But if you are not getting close to this 3 meter value, then we will not say it is accurate. Because accurate means closeness of the measured value to the actual value or true value. For example, if you measure someone's height like this, 3 meters, and you are measuring, let's consider 3.1, 2.9, and third time 3. So these all values are closer, very close to this original 3 meter value. Okay, so that's mean we will say these values are accurate as well as precise. But now this bottom one, this example, if you are measuring 2.5, 2.6, 2.4, these values you are getting, then we will say these are precise, but it is not that accurate, correct? So precise means it is not the connection with the true value, but here you have to consider only your measurement. Although your all measured values are wrong, but still, since you are getting, almost same value, that's why your measurements are precise. Statement C, D, and E, these three statements are correct. So basically, option B is the correct one.